Hi guys, Mackie again. Welcome to my channel. We're going to talk about something very important in this video, and it's where to get your starter kit. Starter kit is a collection of letters, numbers, graphics, and themes. These are the things that you're going to use to install your yard cards. So I have a list of 4 places. Prices range from $7.99 to $2,800. Beforehand, I'm going to give you the 3 first places where you can get it, but stay tuned to the end of this video where we're going to give you the 4th one, which is where you can get your starter kit for less. So it's going to be where it's $7.99 for you to get a starter kit. So without further ado, let's talk about these places. The first place is Victory Store. By the way, I'm going to put links of these places' websites on the description box, so you can just click on these links in order for you to get directed to their websites. So Victory Store is where I actually got my very first starter kit back in 2019. I spent $1,300 for this starter kit, and but the lowest price that you can get a starter kit there is $9.99. The quality is good, the letters are good, but the variety is it's not that big because they have all kinds of colors, but then I don't really see anything glitterish, any sequin. I believe it's sequin, the word. Sequin letters and stuff like that. The shipping is also okay. It takes about 5 to 10 business days for production and shipping, but the shipping is free. Customer service is actually great because they do have a chat option on their website where you can just quickly chat with somebody there. They have a Facebook group, which is good, where you can, if you have a Facebook, you can always look them up, where you can join and you can see people ask questions, or you can ask your own questions and people talk about tips and all that kind of stuff. So Victory Store is the first place. Second place is called Yard Card Supply. That's the name of their business. The lowest price you can get something there is $1,300, but this is the regular price. Today is May 8th, so they're currently having a sale right now, and the starter kit that's $1,300, you can actually get it for $9.99. So they do have sales, which is really good, but you just have to be in the loop for when they're having these sales. And their Facebook place is actually a Facebook group is actually a good place where you can be in the loop with when they're having all kinds of sales. The quality is awesome. They have a big variety of letters and colors, different themes, all kinds of themes, from sports to Frozen, and all kinds of themes that you can find. They have a big variety of options that you can choose from. Their shipping is amazing. Depending on where you are, I'm actually in Jersey, and I think the fastest I've gotten something from them was 2 days. I literally got the package like the second day after I ordered it. So depending on where you are actually, but shipping is amazing. But shipping is not free. I think shipping is extra. You have to pay extra for shipping. Customer service is good. They have a phone and email, and also their Facebook group. You can always ask them questions there. For the website, you have to sign in as a member. You have to show that you actually have a business or starting a business in order for you to sign in, which is a good and a bad thing. It's a good thing because they only let business owners give only business owners, or yard sign business owners, the options to get their stuff, so that not anybody could get it. So that's kind of like giving us the opportunity to just be the only people that have these stuff. So the third place where you can get the starter kits, like, remember at the end of the videos I'm going to give you the 4th place, which is a bonus place. So the third place is 11th Street Design Shop. this is an Etsy shop, so you have to have an Etsy account in order for you to shop with them. And the lowest price for starter kits, it's $1,100. So $1,125 is exactly how much their lowest starter kit is. The quality is great. The shipping is awesome. Well, no, their shipping is not, I mean, their shipping is good. It takes 5 to 10 business days to get your starter kit or to get anything that you shop for or you order. Their customer service is okay because it's an Etsy store, so you only are able to message them from Etsy. They have also a very big variety of options that you can shop from. They don't have any Facebook group that I know of, but it's okay because then there's so you can get these other groups from Victory Store or Yard Card Supply and stuff like that. So the reason why I wanted to keep this to three or four places is because there's so many places out there where you can get this stuff. But if you don't really if you go crazy and just trying to shop from everywhere, you're gonna spend way too much time trying to find the perfect set. You just gotta the more options you have, the longer you're gonna take for you to just jump right in and just get a set. You find something that is really cute, and I guarantee you're going to find something that is really cute from either of these places. So already you have to have time to browse around trying to figure out which one to get. So from these four places, you're definitely going to find something awesome for you to start with. And for the bonus place that I promise, it's Amy's Yard Card. That's her business. And her lowest price that you can get a starter kit, it's $7.99, which is the lowest that I can come up with. The quality is also great. The variety is also big, and their shipping is 3 to 5 business days. The customer service is also great. And they have a Facebook page where you can ask questions. I see people, putting a post up saying, "Hey, Amy," and ask her questions, and she's really responsive on her Facebook group. So, you just jump right in, choose one of these places, or two. You can get different stuff from each of them. I don't shop in one place anymore. I've used all of these places that I just listed to you. But you just got to be strategic with the colors that you're going to get. Of course, blue is always a great color. Pink is always a great color. Yellow is always a great color. I have, my most requested color is multicolor. And I'm going to show you what that multicolor looks like. And after multicolor, we have blue, pink, and black. These are our most requested colors. So I hope you guys find this helpful. If you have any questions, always comment below and I'll answer them. If you have any feedbacks, I'm happy to hear them. And if I was able to help you in any way, please like this video and subscribe, because we're going to talk about a lot more basically about side hustles and all that other stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.